What is up, boys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is Florida Day. I'm talking quiet because it is the middle of the night and we're getting ready to leave in just a few hours. But we're ready to go. I'm very excited and it's a very well needed vacation. We definitely need this. It's a random vacation. It was supposed to be Las Vegas. We were supposed to go to SEMA and we were supposed to get free VIP passes from a family member or family friend, and it fell through because he switched companies, wasn't able to get the VIP passes. So we most likely will be going to the first ever Real Speed SEMA show in 2023. So November 2023, most likely we'll be seeing SEMA, and I've always wanted to go to that show. I'm very excited, but we were supposed to go to Vegas. Then we had the time off from work, so we said, you know what, let's go to Florida. And boys, that's exactly what we're doing. We're gonna be doing a lot of adventuring, a lot of fun things, and I have a really sick rental car that I'm extremely excited to show you guys, and I'm extremely excited to just drive it all week. It's not a basic generic rental car, it's actually a pretty cool rental car, so I'm very excited that we have it because, boys, this car is freaking sick. It's not a super car because I'm not 25 yet. I'm very close, but I'm not there. But it is a beautiful car. And it's fast and it's loud because we need loud on this channel, and you know that. So I'm very excited to show you guys that. But without further ado, all we have to do now is put the bags in the car and then we're off to the airport. And bam, we made it to the airport. It was actually a very easy process. TF Green in Warwick, there's literally no one here ever at 5 o'clock in the morning. So we're kind of chilling. But we board in about like 40 minutes or 30 minutes or so. She's in the bathroom right now. And then we're gonna get some Dunkin' Donuts. You already know, we're gonna get the Donies. And then we're gonna be flying to Virginia. And then the next time I pick up the camera, we're gonna be in Virginia. And then after Virginia, we're gonna be in Florida, which is really exciting. So it's gonna be a long day of flying, about 7 hours or so of flying. And then once we're there, we're gonna be good. But you already know, travel vlog time, travel vlog season, usually around that September, October time, boys. So you already know we're about to have an action-packed week, and I'm hyped. And look who made it out of the bathroom. See, excited?
Yeah.
I can't wait to go.
I heard airport security.
Did you?
8:16.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So yeah, guys, we're ready to go. And the next time you see us, we'll be in Virginia. Boys, we finally made it to Virginia, and we have about 2 hours before we hop on the plane and go to Florida. So we're kind of just hanging out at like some bar thing in Virginia airport, or Virginia, Washington, I don't know. It's like on the border. It's really weird. We're watching our show right now, just hanging out. And then we're gonna hop on the plane and hopefully we can get to Florida, tired, bored, and in need for something to do. So it's been a lovely day. Bikini button. Florida.
I'm so excited to actually be here right now.
Me too. Look at that.
There are multiple kids on this flight because obviously Disney. And they're screaming.
Overall though, not that bad.
No. Not as bad as I thought they were gonna be.
It's supposed to be a lot more noise than I guess we're gonna have. Hell yeah.
Glad that you were here. What did you enjoy?
Oh, this part is so cool. This thing falls. Oh yeah. Damn, bud.
I see snakes in
I'm Trace. So sick.
got room to fool me in mouth without that either.
I don't either, but I drive good. Yeah, I use a point A to point B. I'm traffic.
That's the question. So we finally made it to the parking garage where the rental car is, and that was a bit of a process. Apparently it's like 5 minutes away from the airport, so we had to take that little trans bus again, and it took us all the way to separate parking in the second part of the airport. And I see the car. Oh yeah. Honey, I'm right in front of it. I'm just gonna make sure the plate is, oh my God, this thing is insane. Yeah, this thing is nuts, yo. I can't show it on camera yet, but yes, it's the right plate. Okay, we're good. So where you have to check, huh? I know. So we have to take photos of this thing and then check it in. The only hint I'm gonna give you guys is the chime of the car. So please stand by, we'll get there. All right, so we're in the whip and you can tell I got red seats. So the only thing I'm gonna do is start the battery, and I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a little hint at what car it is. Watch it not do it. Oh, it did it. So what car is it? I don't know. You guys are gonna have to guess. But if you wanna see that, I'm going to be making a video on this car this week. So tune in to, I believe I'm gonna probably post it either Wednesday or Thursday from after this video is posted. And I'm gonna make a nasty video on this car. So make sure to tune into that. We finally made it to the resort, guys. Well, we were here yesterday, but we ended up going to dinner and then going to Disney Springs for a little while. And when we got back, we kind of just shut down and ended up going to bed. So I'm gonna show you guys our little room. And it's really cute, it's really cool, but this is now day 2. You're gonna see some cool things coming up in Disney in a couple days. And I have the showing of the rent-a-car coming up as well. And that's coming up also in a couple days. I'm very excited to show that. But this is our room. We have our bed here, nice king size bed. Then we have our little couch area here. And then we have our massive bathroom. It's actually really big. So this is our bathroom. Giant walk-in shower, really nice. And then we actually got a little like studio apartment thing, and we got a little kitchen. The only downside is it doesn't have an oven, so there's only so much food we can make. So we have the stovetop. We didn't really end up getting much food. We just got some like picky things, like mug cakes, some mac and cheese, Smart Food, goldfish, and we got some chicken for, deli chicken for some sandwiches. Other than that, we didn't really get that much, but that's pretty much our room. It was a pretty small size room, but it worked out perfectly because we have a little kitchen for any food that we want to make, and we have a great king size bed, and we have a little couch, plus the TV is right there in the corner too. And then this is our view, which is really sick. We get the pool area, which in about a couple minutes, we're gonna be down in the pool area. I'm gonna show you guys that area. They have a little fire pit over there that they just turned off, honey.
Oh, God.
Yeah, they just turned the fire off. There's still people sitting at it though. So they put 50th anniversary on all the elevators, and they're all certain themed. There's the laundry room, there's the game room. And then they threw hopscotch on the floor that was not here last night, 50th anniversary. And if you guys didn't know, apparently, good job, honey. Apparently this is like the 50th anniversary of Disney, which in my mind, I think that's kind of weird because I feel like Disney's been around for over 100 years, at least the parks.
Well, the one in California, the one in Florida.
Yeah, I don't know. I thought it'd be longer. Okay, I haven't done hopscotch for a while. Here we go, ready? It's like, try it again, ready? So let's try it.
There's one in the gym right now.
No one? Oh, and then they have the gym right there too. I forgot about that. So we're gonna go, Oh, I messed it up. I can't, I'm not good at hopscotch. Yeah, there's no one in the gym. Nice. Oh, this is the grill. Oh, yeah.
I knew it.
We're gonna get burgers.
Yeah.
So we actually, she said there was a grill area, but we didn't know where it was. Now we can buy burgers and make rubber grills. So now we can,
Someone just clicked on this one.
yeah, now we can get burgers and cook. Heck yeah, honey.
Steak tips.
Yes, we can make steak tips. All right, so that's a plus. We can make some food.
Put the steak on it.
Yeah, I know. Look at all the palm trees. So cute.
What's the Connect for?
Where's the, oh, what's a big Connect for?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta get the card out again. We made it to the pool area. Look how pretty it is. It closes at 11, so it's open pretty late. And our room is right up there. It's really cool. I think it's that one right there. It's about 100% there. But really nice. The pool temperature's really, really nice. It's not super cold. Like, look how warm, see how warm that is? She thinks that's cold. It's 80 degrees and humid, and she thinks that's cold. The pool's like 85 degrees. You might actually sweat in that pool, to be honest, but it's okay. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much the resort. We're enjoying our time here for 7 days, chilling out, having fun. We got a lot more cool, fun content coming for the week. And I'm just excited. I'm just happy the traveling is over, and now we can just relax for the week because pretty much all yesterday was just flying, and we were just, really? Yeah. pretty much the whole week we were just tired and just traveling and flying all the way, pretty much everywhere. Picking up the rental car was probably the most stressful part of the entire day.
Oh yeah.
But we were able to get it, so that's good. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. We're gonna see you boys again tomorrow, and then again on Tuesday, and then you'll see those vlogs come later in the week. And that's it, guys. We'll see you soon. Peace out.